drowning my sorrows. My sorrows, they learn to swim. Surrounding me, going down on me, spilling over the brim. In waves of regret, in waves of joy, I reached out for the one I tried to destroy. You.